A car amplifier is the heart of a powerful audio system, giving your music the depth, clarity, and punch that factory setups often lack. By boosting sound signals, an amplifier ensures cleaner highs, richer mids, and deeper bass for a true concert-like experience on the road. Whether you're upgrading for everyday driving or building a high-performance sound system, choosing the right amp is essential. In this video, we'll explore the best car amplifiers to help you transform your listening experience. If you want to see the price and find out more information about these products, you can check out the links in the description below. And make sure you like the video, subscribe our channel, and hit the bell icon for future updates. Without further ado, let's get started with the list. Starting our list with number 5, we have the Boss Audio Systems R-1004 amplifier. If you want an easy, affordable way to wake up your door speakers and tweeters, the Boss Audio Systems R-1004 is a solid 4-channel starting point. Designed for 12 to 14.5 car systems, it delivers up to 100 watts max times 4 at 2 ohms or 50 watts max times 4 at 5 ohms. 4 at 4 ohms. Enough headroom to add clarity and punch to factory or entry-level aftermarket speakers without stressing your electrical system. You get simple integration no matter your source. Use low-level Radio Corporation of America inputs with an aftermarket head unit for the cleanest signal, or tap the high-level inputs to keep your factory radio and still add real power. The compact surface mount chassis gives you flexible placement under a seat or on a trunk wall, keeping wiring tidy and installs straightforward. Built on a Class AB topology, the R-1004 aims for smooth musical output at everyday listening levels. A variable input gain control helps you match the amp to your source, reducing distortion and noise when set correctly. Remember, gain isn't a volume knob. It's about right-sizing the signal coming from your receiver so your speakers play cleaner across your favorite playlists and podcasts. Choose the R-1004 if you want a no-nonsense, budget-friendly way to bring out clearer vocals, tighter mid-bass, and better overall balance from your full-range speakers without overcomplicating your build. It's a practical upgrade that makes daily drives sound better, fast. At number 4, Boss Audio Systems R-1100M Monoblock Car Amplifier. If you want straightforward, budget-friendly bass power without complicating your build, the Boss Audio Systems R-1100M gets it done. This monoblock class AB amplifier is designed for 12-volt systems and runs 2 ohm stable, delivering up to 1100 max watts times 1 at 2 ohms. A MOSFET power supply helps it respond quickly to musical peaks, while the 4.37-pound chassis is easy to mount in tight spaces. You stay in control of your low end. The onboard low-pass filter sends only bass to your sub, the selectable bass boost adds weight when tracks need more punch, and input sensitivity lets you set gains correctly so your system plays louder with less distortion. Use the included remote subwoofer control to adjust levels from the driver's seat. Perfect for switching from podcast to bass-heavy playlists on the fly. Installation is flexible. With both Radio Corporation of America and speaker-level inputs, you can integrate with an aftermarket head unit or keep your factory radio and still add real bass. Built-in protection, thermal short and overload, adds peace of mind when you turn it up, and the illuminated logo provides a quick visual status cue. Choose the R-1100M if you want simple wiring, essential tuning features, and dependable low-frequency performance at a friendly price. Pair it with a properly matched 2 or 4 ohm sub, set gains carefully, and you'll feel cleaner, tighter bass on every drive. Number 3, we have the Taramps TS400X4 car audio amplifier. If you want affordable, reliable power for a flexible build, the Taramps TS400X4 fits your system and your budget. This full-range 4-channel amplifier delivers 400-watt root mean square at 2 ohms, giving you clean output for door speakers, mids, and tweeters, and the option to bridge channels when you need more punch for components or a compact bass solution. You get versatility without the guesswork. The TS400X4 runs on 8 to 16 volt DC, so it stays stable across real-world voltage swings in cars, motorcycles, and golf carts. A fixed 90 Hz low-pass crossover and precise gain controls help you keep lows where they belong and protect smaller speakers from strain. The LED status indicator and built-in short-circuit protection add peace of mind when you're pushing your setup. Installation is straightforward with sensible wiring specs: 11 American wire gauge positive-negative power, 15 American wire gauge speaker outputs, 18 American wire gauge remote, and a 20 ampere circuit breaker or fuse. Whether you're powering full-range doors, a driver tweeter set, a mid-range array, or a small sub in a space-limited vehicle, this amp adapts quickly. Choose the TS400X4 if you're after a high-value, multi-channel backbone that's easy to tune, tough enough for daily use, and flexible enough to grow with your system. It's a cost-effective way to bring clarity, balance, and real control to your ride. At number 2, Alpine S-A32F S-Series amplifier. If you want a clean, full system upgrade that lifts clarity, punch, and control, the Alpine S-A32F is an easy win. This 4-channel S-Series amplifier is built for 14.4-volt systems and gives you flexible, honest power. 55-watt root, mean square times 4 at 4 ohms for everyday precision. 80-watt root, mean square times 4 at 2 ohms when you need extra headroom. Or 160-watt root, mean square times 2 bridged at 4 ohms to feed front components. Or a compact substage without strain. You get real tuning control to shape the sound around your speakers and cabin. With variable high and low-pass filters, you can tighten mid-bass, tame harsh highs, and keep unwanted frequencies out of your drivers. The payoff is cleaner vocals, stronger dynamics, and a more coherent soundstage, so you hear detail at low volume and confident authority when you turn it up. Installation is straightforward, and the compact chassis opens up mounting options under a seat or in the trunk. Start by powering door speakers today, then reconfigure to a bridge setup later as your system evolves. The SA32F grows with your goals. Day to day, you'll notice less distortion, more definition, and that smooth Alpine control that makes long drives feel shorter. Choose the SA32F if you want versatile speaker-friendly power that makes your music feel alive. Whether you're refreshing a factory system or anchoring a best car amplifier build with proven Alpine engineering. And finally, the number 1 of our list, Skar Audio RP-1200.1D monoblock amplifier. If you want deep controlled bass with real headroom, the Skar Audio RP-1200.1D gives your substage the muscle and control it deserves. Built by Skar Audio for 14.4-volt systems, it delivers a stout 1200 watts root mean square at 1 ohm and keeps performing through real-world voltage swings thanks to an 8.5 to 14.5 volt operating range. Its focused 20 to 250 Hz frequency response puts all the power where you need it. Tight, musical low end. You'll dial in your sound quickly. The onboard bass equalization switch adds +6 or +12 decibel at 45 Hz for extra punch, and the included remote subwoofer level control lets you fine-tune output from the driver's seat, matching bass to your music, mood, or road noise in seconds. True 1 ohm stability and a high damping factor keep your woofer responsive, reducing muddiness and cone overshoot for cleaner hits. Installation is straightforward and built for reliability. Oversized 4-gauge power and ground terminals maximize current flow, while the highly efficient heatsink helps the amp run cool during long sessions. 4-way protection circuitry, covering thermal, voltage, short, and DC faults, adds confidence when you push your system. Choose the RP-1200.1D if you're building a subwoofer setup that needs serious output, precise control, and everyday dependability without complicating your rack. It's a compact, Class D MOSFET monoblock that turns your low end into a strength you can hear and feel on every drive. As always, you will find all the links of these products in the description below. Comment below and tell us which car amplifier you are considering. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, then like and share this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more amazing videos like this.